Hello dear students, today we are going to begin worksheet number 6, page number 48, Sinbad's second voyage. And in this story we'll see how Sinbad undergoes this journey and finally reaches his home within a few weeks. So what else happened? We are going to read this story and understand. And before we start reading, I just want you to look at the word meanings that I have written so as to become familiar with the new words that we have. The first one, voyage, a long journey involving travel by sea or in space. Either we may say it trip or expedition. Second meaning is merchant, businessman, a person in wholesale trade. Next we have island. What is an island? An island, any area of land smaller than a continent and entirely surrounded by water. Next we have ashore, means to or on the shore or land. So these are some meanings. And dome and enormous. Dome means we have seen here, that is an architecture, or we may either say it a rounded vault forming the roof of a building. And another one, the last one is enormous, huge, big. So these are some word meanings, and apart from this, there are also quite many in the book. If you do not know, please write them down in the copy. My name is Sinbad. I am a merchant from Baghdad. This is the story of my second voyage. So here we see Sinbad introduces himself and let us know that he is from Baghdad. I decided to sail on my second voyage and went abroad a ship with a number of merchant friends. So here we see, he decided to sell or decided to start his second voyage, and he is not only going, he is not only going alone, but here we see, he is taking his friends also. One day we came to an island that seemed to be covered with fruit trees, and one day they came up to an island which was covered or totally covered with the fruit trees, and there they see, they could see no man or animal anywhere. So in this island it was only covered with the fruit trees. There were no sign of man or animals. We decided to go ashore. I took my meal and fell asleep in the shade of a tree. So here we see, they decided to go to the shore, and then Sinbad took his meal. Soon after that he slept. I don't know how long I slept, but when I woke and looked out to see, the ship had gone. So here we see, while he was asleep, the ship on which he has come has already left him. Not knowing what to do, I climbed up a tall tree and looked over the island. So he was already confused. He was not knowing what to do it. As he was totally perplexed, he just climbed up a tall tree and looked over the island. In the distance, I could spot something large and white. And in the distance, he could realize that there is something which seems very large and white in color. I decided to find out what that thing is. And then Sinbad, as a desire, or he intended to find out the thing which seemed very strong, very big and white in color. Soon I came to what looked like a huge white dome. When I touched it, it felt very smooth. I was it was so high that I could not see the top of it. So the moment he came near to this, he tried to feel it, and when he touched, it was very smooth, and it was so tall, or it was so high that he could not see the top of it also. Suddenly, the sky above me became dark, as if a huge cloud was covering it. Looking up, I saw an enormous bird. So, what happened to him? Suddenly he realized that the sky above me, above him, has become dark. Just because of what? Just because of, okay, here we see he gives a reason, as if a huge cloud was covering. So he thought that the huge cloud was covering him. Now I had heard sailors talk about a great and wonderful bird called roc, and by this time he realized, or he remembered, a sailor saying a story about a great and wonderful bird named roc. This must be the roc, and this must be its egg. So he is just trying to guess that this must be, this means the huge thing, the mighty thing that he sees, that might be the bird itself, and the white one, its egg. The bird came and sat on the egg. So this bird came there and sat on it. Near me was one of the bird's legs, which was as big as a tree, and near him there was a leg, one of the leg of the birds, which was as big as a tree. I decided to tie myself to the leg of this bird with my turban. So what is a turban? Turban is a headwear based on cloth winding. So it's a turban is a headwear, based on cloth winding, so that when it flew away from the island, it would carry me with it. As we know, that Sindbad wanted to come out of the island, and therefore when he saw this bird, what did he do? What did he decide? He decided to tie himself to the leg of this huge bird named roc, so that it can carry him somewhere to the safe place. So this is what we are going to see for today's class, and I ask you to go through this lesson once again, and if you want, you can make some short questions out of it, and if there is any kind of difficulties or doubts in understanding, you may ask me. Thank you.